Okay, Ronak, this is your first mock interview, and we are doing it for which course?
Community Organization Development Practice.
Okay, CODP. So, since this is your first interview, so you will start with your introduction.
My name is Ronak Kashwaha. I am from Jodhpur. I have completed my M.Com from JNU Jodhpur. I have four members in my family. My father works in Ultratech Cement, Nadwara. My mother is a homemaker, and I have an elder brother who works for Dubai government in Dubai.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah. Apart from that, I have interest in uh, games. My hobbies are games, reading books and movies. Web series are my keen interest, and I have an interest in the animals, mostly dogs and cats, and helping people.
So tell me your educational background about your educational about. Tell me in detail, matlab. So how you get what degree and what was your educational journey?
Sir, I've completed my 12th in commerce from MP, ABPS 4, and later I came to Jodhpur to pursue my BCom. And in that, I have no major, so it was not an honors or something like that. It was just a normal one. So later, I decided to
Are you
go for a
shaking your
master's.
legs? Are you shaking your legs because your body is continuously vibrating?
Oh, sorry about that.
You
I
need
get nervous.
to still stand still because it is making making me uncomfortable. You
Sorry
know?
about that, sir. Uh, it was not a major course, like it was not an honors from college, which college I was doing. It was not giving me BCom honors, so I tried to pursue in masters in commerce, and the major in my masters was marketing. In that, I got many subjects, and in subject, some of them were like related to social responsibilities. It got ethics and social responsibilities and entrepreneurship and in small businesses. So after that studying them, I was quite sure to go in the field for social work. And after a year of practice in as a LIC agent, I pursued for tests, and here I'm here to for that.
So can you describe or tell me about the supply chain of insurance policies or LIC?
Can you please repeat?
Can you describe the service detail of LIC? So how they create the product and how
So,
much uh, monthly?
so LIC mostly is about insurance, and there are three types of insurance: life insurance, health insurance, and general insurance.
So talk to me
Apart,
about, tell me about life insurance.
yeah, life insurance is mostly about, sir, whatever you are paying as a policy and your term premium, you will not get it after. You will get it after your. It will not be given to you. It is mostly given to your nominee after your death. Whereas in health policy, when you will be given if you are getting any serious diseases like even in corona or any heart surgery or something, we will provide you with the funds that you have been paying for. And in general insurance, it is mostly about cars and bikes and all.
So how do the company decides about the premium?
Sir, it is totally because it is totally on us and it is on the person whom we are making an assurance. Like it totally depends like how much a person is capable to pay a premium. Like we can't just pay 500 person who is capable of paying 500 rupees. We won't ask him for 1500 or 5000 rupees of premium per month. It will be a quite a burden on him to pay. So it is apart from their social structure and not sorry about that. Apart from their jobs and their health, income is a quite big option to choose what policy to should be given to the person.
Okay. So you have already done a post-graduation degree.
Yes.
So and now you are applying for a post-graduation degree ahead. So would it be a matlab redundancy, or do you think that your previous education of post-graduation isn't worth enough to go ahead with that?
No, sir, it's not like that. MCom is a master's degree and a professional degree for some people, but it mostly works in office work. Like I have to be on the background of any business or any firm. I won't be able to go in outside or talk to the people or be with them. It says mostly like accounting, business. We have to make strategies and all, or even like we have to make audits and all. But my as my personal preference, I want to be with people and want to work with them. So it was a good thing. It enhanced my skill of how to run a business. I know how to market things. I know what are the selection procedures and what how to formulate any policies. It helped me a lot, but not for me. It was not for me. Like I was not satisfied with that job, so I tried to change my field.
Okay, so what made you motivated for this course, LSC? Sorry, CODP.
So from beginning of my time, I have lived in a rural or semi-urban area. Like even it is in Pinwada right now. It is a rural area with so much scheduled tribe people like Bhil and Bhambi, and they have no access to the government or even to the policies. I have seen people like they don't know even that the license is needed to drive a vehicle. Just they know how to do that. So and other apart from that, I have seen people like they get exploited due to employment. I have seen people that they are working for 70 rupees per day and for 12 hours just because they have to run their livelihood and they don't know that there are other policies. Like apart from Manrega also they don't know that there are policies and there are labor laws. So I need to make them aware about that facilities and make to teach them. Yes, there are thing and you can't be exploited by your employees. So it was one of the factors that made me think to change my field.
Yeah, I was specifically asking about CODP. So for awareness or for such roles, you don't have to do a degree for it.
Yes, sir.
You can start working for awareness programs, or you can create a numerous
Sir,
awareness
I
programs.
can work for NGOs and like that, but I had no idea that it is a professional thing to work for any organization or like going in a social work thing. Earlier, for me and for people like me around me, they think like you just don't have to be you have to be you don't have to have proper education to work for others. They think it's like a donating thing and you will have to do just like we call it shramdan. We do it for the people and not for other. Matlab just it will not it will sorry about that. I will not have need any education proper education qualification or any specific studies to do these things. So and as I chose CODP because I can't work for an individual. Like there are many deprived and marginalized community around me, and I can't just go to one on one. I will have to take a community and work on them. And even if I'm doing that, it will be a long lasting thing, and it will create a big impact even for their life and even for their backgrounds and their state.
Okay, so asking about challenges that you will be facing after this course or you're working for community. So, what could be those challenges you visualize or foresee?
Sir, do you mean professional challenges or personal challenges?
Professional challenges.
So, professional challenges that with very few people in my community and with my people, I will have to reach to a large number of society. And apart from that, it is a very tiring job that we will have to do a lot of work with very low income. Like many people are not satisfied that if, even after doing this great job, they will not be compensated equally than to other people. And apart from that, I think as a there will be a mental issue for a person because he will think he is a privileged guy rather than he to whom he is talking to. Like he will feel guilty that those is the resources which he have won't be given to others, and it may impact his mental situation.
So, you stay in you have lived in Rajasthan,
Yes, sir, mostly in Rajasthan.
mostly Rajasthan. So which is the poorest district of Rajasthan?
It is, sir, Sirohi. In my thing, it is Sirohi. because sir, near the central hospital, I mean, state hospital, quite a big one, is even not even in any area. You will have to go to 60 kilometers to go to Abu Road just to get a proper treatment or proper
So I was talking about which is the poorest state. So you called, they told me Siroi.
state. Oh, sorry, sir. You what? Can I ask you again, sir?
No, district.
Yeah,
Poorest
it is a
district,
Siroi, sir. I
Siroi.
guess.
And
Yes, sir.
how is it so? Matlab, why it has become poorer than other district?
Sir, apart from that, I have seen that I have lived in Jodhpur state and district and in Chittorgarh district and even Bhilwara district and even in Siroi. I have seen that Siroi people are even with the lack of education, they don't have any proper facility. Like I am telling earlier, I told you that proper good hospital is in a 40 kilometer. There is no hospital in 40-kilometer radius. They will have to travel to Abu Road just to get their facilities or even for a basic surgery.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ronak. So थोड़ा मैं छोटा कर रहा हूँ तुम्हारे इंटरव्यू को because you need to prepare a little more about few things because question आंसर वाइज तो तुम्हारा ठीक है.
सर एक सेकंड मेरे को आवाज नहीं हाँ
क्वेश्चन टू आंसर वाला जो सिंक है that is okay. But तुम अभी भी वो जो clarity of course है ना which I have been telling you about that कि try to understand the professional aspect of the course. है ना when you are asked कि why do you want to do this course, so tell that you want to create professional expertise in this area, you want to work for this. So the way you told that government policies are there and people are not aware, है ना, it is not the job of CODP professionals, है ना. Later you told me when I kept on digging the things, है ना, and I repeat में पूछता गया then you told me that one to one काम नहीं करेंगे, I will work in the community, you know, this would have told in the earlier. So while telling, and I also asked you such challenges that you'll be facing. So again I wanted to know कि वो जो community building के challenges तुमको पता है कि नहीं, है ना, और are you talking in the same aspect or not. तो जो ये पूरी जो पढ़ाई है वो मेनली ऑन कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग, स्ट्रेंथ बिल्डिंग, कम्युनिकेशन, है ना,
सर
कम्युनिकेशन
इसमें ये
कम्युनिकेशन.
पॉइंट्स आते क्या लाइक कि उनको कम्युनिटी वो अपने अभी सस्टेन खुद की लाइवलीहुड के लिए इतना कर रहे हैं कि दे डोंट हैव टू वर्क इन सस्टेन अभी तक उन्होंने कम्युनिटी में वर्क नहीं किया जस्ट बिकॉज कि वो अपने अपने उसमें ही काम करने लगे हैं
नहीं, जैसे यहाँ पे ना लाइवलीहुड इज नॉट अ मेजर फोकस फॉर अस. So matlab, you don't have to keep everything on for livelihood. Even the examples that you're citing about that 70 rupees for the entire 12-hour job. So
Yes,
we
sir.
are concerned about all the social issues that they face. Livelihood also is one of them. है ना, तो basically the CODP program says कि let's not work on a particular individual, है ना, let's work on the community because trusting the development in a community is far easier than, है ना, pushing it to an individual. ठीक है,
हाँ
because हाँ, तो अब नाउ द चैलेंज इज कि जो मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटी है, नॉट वल्नरेबल, जो मार्जिनलाइज हो चुके हैं, है ना, मतलब वल्नरेबल है तो वो भी हो सकता है अभी भी कम्युनिटी होंगे, marginalized people lose the strength of community among themselves because उनकी डे टू डे challenges इतनी है कि they can't be that social or that community perspective उनकी develop नहीं हो पाती, है ना. And if a community is marginalized since last 20 years or 25 years, तो पूरा एक new generation जो है they have never seen the charm of community. ठीक है, तो
yes,
उस केस में when we create a community and close circle create करते हैं, we make them talk to each other, we make them to work for each other, है ना, group exercises में create करते हैं, तो these are the way to create a community strength. And then once the community has been created, pushing the development agenda and practicing development will be easier. So आपका जो पूरा कोर्स होगा ये कोर पार्ट है, बट ओवरऑल पेरिफेरल में आप बहुत कुछ सीखोगे. पेरिफेरल में आप सीखोगे ऑल द सोशल इशूज, पॉलिटिकल इंटरवेंशंस, है ना, ज्योग्राफी, मार्केट, impact of globalization, everything that you'll be learning, you know, people's life, resources, everything that you'll be learning. But the core learning would be that now if you're going to a community, जैसे half baked community है, half made community है, उसको और strength किया, community है ही नहीं है तो उसको बनाया,
बनाया
है ना, तो उसमें उसके क्या है कि अब बनाने के लिए कैसे करना है, क्या करना है ना, तो दैट यू कैन डू इट बाय कॉमन सेंस आल्सो. ऐसे तो मैनेजमेंट भी हम कॉमन सेंस से कर सकते हैं, बट वी स्टिल गो टू द कॉलेज.
yes,
Why?
sir.
Because we want to learn from the people who has already done it. and you also want the theoretical aspect. तो आप कॉलेज क्यों जा रहे हो? क्योंकि आप उस मेकिंग प्रोसेस को, स्ट्रेंथनिंग के प्रोसेस को समझना चाहते हो, व्हाट स्ट्रेटजी वी हैव बीन यूजिंग, और टाइम के साथ क्या चेंजेस आ सकते हैं, बिकॉज जो ये जो टास्क है कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग का, it would be very different at your place in Rajasthan and at my place in Bihar.
Yeah, exactly.
है ना? तो अब हम जब कोर्स में जाते हैं ना, तो हम उस वेरिएबिलिटी को भी समझते हैं कि हाउ डू वी रीड वेरिएबिलिटी एंड हाउ डू वी कस्टमाइज द सेम प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. So you will be a professional in that way, which I will not do. I cannot do. So once you go through the 2-year course, so I will not say, कि रौनक, I am far smart than you, I can make a community. Because you have read, you are professionally trained, so that with that training, with that capability, you can ask for a job. Whosoever giving you, मतलब NGO दे रहा है, government दे रहा है, that doesn't concern. But you want to do this, and you also see future in this. You also see professional expertise in this, and you also see that you can claim all other people that I am the one who can do this. You may not. ठीक है, कोई आदमी बार-बार प्रैक्टिस करके भी सीख सकता है without going to college. ऐसा तो मैनेजमेंट के साथ भी होता है. Somebody who is just graduate, अगर वो बार-बार प्रैक्टिस करता सीखता है, तो MBA से ज्यादा अच्छा मैनेज कर सकता है. But that doesn't mean कि management degree has got its lost its charm. So with this training, with this professional expertise, you can say other social work student that I am differently trained than you.
Yes, sir.
वो insight, वो features अपने professional training का, वो output तुम्हें समझना चाहिए.
सर आपने वो पॉइंट्स जो स्टार्टिंग वाले बोले वो याद थे, बट वो भूल गया बाहर.
वही बात है ना, उसको सिंक में रखना पड़ेगा. दैट्स योर कोर. मतलब होता है क्या है कि उसी को डिफरेंट वर्ड में बोलोगे तो टीचर को तुरंत पता चलता है एकदम, ही नोज व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू लर्न. ही हैज द ऑब्जेक्टिव, मतलब जो लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव है इन हिज माइंड, तो पहले दिन से उस पर ट्राई करेगा, है ना. व्हेन यू गो टू द फील्ड, यू विल बी सीइंग द फील्ड. अब जैसे लोग फील्ड पे जाते हैं, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व देयर लाइवलीहुड, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व देयर सोशल इश्यूज, बट यू एज योर सब्जेक्ट स्टूडेंट, you will be observing कि उनके community में क्या loose part है, how much strength do they have in their community, है ना. How we can rebuild or rebuild and rejuvenate their community strength, and then if the community is there, how you can put development agenda in that community, how you can practice development in that community. समझ लो ना, तो तुम्हारे कोर्स का ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा. सेम अगर दूसरा कोर्स वाला जाएगा फील्ड पे तो दूसरे तरीके से देखेगा. समझ लो, तो अपनी डिस्टिंक्शंस को आइडेंटिफाई करो एंड इंटरव्यू में उसी के हिसाब से बोलो. जब ये बोल देते हो, देन वी गो टू द अदर टॉपिक्स, और जैसे करंट अफेयर्स का या पुराने जॉब के तुम्हारे बारे में, तब हम वो पूछते हैं. बट वो सब जो है वो इंफीरियर क्वेश्चन हो गया. मेन क्वेश्चन ये है टू चेक योर अलाइनमेंट विद द कोर्स. ठीक है, और उसके लिए तुम बिल्कुल एंथुसियास्टिक दिखना चाहिए, तुम्हारे चेहरे पे वो और आंखों में वो झलक होनी चाहिए एकदम, मुझे यही सीखना है सर, बिकॉज दिस इज अ गुड स्किल. पेइंग है, हाई पेइंग है, नॉन पेइंग है, वो हम देखना ही नहीं चाहते. बट हाँ, आई नो दिस कैन गिव मी एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड सेटिस्फैक्शन.
Yes, sir.
एंड द काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशनल एक्सपर्टीज व्हिच आई कैन प्राउडली से कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, आप नहीं, है ना.
उसमें सर,
हाँ
सर मैं 2 चीजें बोलूं, सजेस्ट करूं,
हाँ,
क्योंकि
बोलो.
मैं सर अभी रिसेंटली प्रदान जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ना, वो लोग यूट्यूब पे वैसे वीडियोस डालते हैं कि कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट में सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, और उसमें
ग्रुप इज द ट्रू टूल फॉर दैट.
हाँ, तो उसमें लेकिन बनाने में उनको प्रोफेशनली कितना प्रॉब्लम्स होता है.
हाँ, तो ये जो चैलेंजेस वाला क्वेश्चन पूछा था मैंने रौनक,
Yes,
तो
sir.
आस्क स्वस्तिका टू पुट दोस वीडियोस का लिंक, है ना, इन
हाँ,
ग्रुप.
इट इज देयर इन
उसको देख के तुम
प्रदान
समझो कि व्हेन यू ट्राई टू क्रिएट एन कम्युनिटी, व्हाट चैलेंज. क्योंकि जो मैंने क्वेश्चन तुमसे पूछा था,
तो मुझे लाइक ये वाले पॉइंट्स याद थे कि आपको सबको पहले
याद, देखो याद क्या था उससे मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है, इंटरनलाइज करना जरूरी है. सो अगर आप इंटरव्यू में बैठ के आप रिकॉल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट फिट फॉर द कोर्स, है ना. अगर आपको रिकॉल की और रिमेम्बर करने की मेमोरी की जरूरत पड़ रही है टू डिस्क्राइब योरसेल्फ और डिस्क्राइब योर विल टू बी इन दिस कोर्स, तो ये गलत हो गया. फील करो थोड़ा सा, है ना. तो अभी स्वस्तिका सही बता रही है, और उस वीडियो को देखोगे तो यू फील मोर अबाउट द
समझ में आता है. हाँ, क्योंकि वो प्रोफेशनल से बात कर रहे हैं, और CODP वाले वहाँ पे बहुत मतलब दे हैव अ गुड डिमांड इन दोज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। और
Exactly.
अर्बन में सेवा हो गया जैसे, या आजाद फाउंडेशन भी हो गया, कुदुमश्री हो गया, इन तीनों में कैसे वुमेन को लेके अर्बन नॉन ट्रेडिशनल लाइवलीहुड को एनहेंस करने के लिए कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग के बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइजेस हैं, तो वो आप देख सकते
ये
हो।
जो भेजो लिंक, ये रौनक तुम इस पहले नहीं फाइंड आउट कर पाए?